So, and months na rin yung, or a year na rin yung lumipas bago kayo nagsama ulit sa taping. Kamusta naman yung chemistry niyo together? Nag-evolve ba?
Well, and ano naman, off-cam, like, mas naging close naman talaga kami. But, you know, on set, like, wala pa naman kaming taping together. But, yeah, we're preparing for the role. Well, me naman, I'm not new to this kind of genre because before, I've done, like, horror thrillers. So, I'm really looking forward po dito sa character na to. And yeah, it's a different, ano po sa amin as a love team. Dito, yung love interest ng mga characters namin, yung isa't isa, but it's really different. No, hindi siya katulad na nung sa past series namin na very romantic.
Yes.
Ganon. Yeah.
Basta napag-usapan na rin namin ni Aubrey na with this new project, sobrang importante yung growth para sa amin as a love team na we can portray different characters and we can give justice again to these characters. So we're just very excited pag may mga bagong project kami natatanggap po.
Thank you and congratulations ulit.
Thank you.